If you want your child to create a strong Islamic foundation, SunnahCamp has you covered.
SunnahCamp is an online learning community where students from across the world come together to discover their skills and become the next leaders of the Ummah.
SunnahCamp teaches Seerah, Tafsir, Quran, and so much more all in one place.
I saw that kids, they're going to school and they love going to school. And the same kids, when they're going to the masjid, they didn't like it. I always wanted Muslim children to have the stamp of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala on their hearts before they enter school. Especially now, the garbage that they're teaching them in schools from very young age, it is so important that our children know who they are and they're proud to be Muslim and they have the love of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.
The great thing about SunnahCamp is that it creates Muslims that are grounded in their deen, but it also helps them find their skills and use their skills and their deen to make a positive impact within the community.
Being a part of SunnahCamp as a student, then a coach, then a mentor, and then now being an alumni, it definitely took my strengths and talents and molded it and made it refined.
You know, when I first joined SunnahCamp, I was very shy, but I feel like after joining SunnahCamp, it's really made a great impact on how confident I've become.
Through SunnahCamp, I learned the importance of knowing myself and my own identity as a Muslim.
Al-Muhaymin. And these are the best days of Ramadan, so we should make the most of it by making sincere du'as.
Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Allah is beautiful.